Since the energy is life-affirming and positive, and since the orgone generators cleanse the negativity of that negativity that surrounds you, the crystals inside the orgone generators transmute this negative energy as it bounces back and forth chaotically. Only the crystals have the ability to smooth that out, and out comes a life-affirming positive energy that we all need, that we all, plants, pets, all life forms want more of that good energy because we are surrounded by so much negative energy. Okay? So anything that helps to balance the negative with the positive energy is going to be life-affirming, is going to be good. Orgone generators, crystals by themselves, negative iron generators, Lemurian plugs. There's many different things that are out there that people are selling that are beneficial. But to what extent, that's difficult to see, because everybody wants to measure. Well, this one is so much better than something else. Well, it isn't a quantitative thing that you can measure when you're dealing with energy. We're not measuring electricity. We're in an element, in an area that is maybe one stage above the measurable. And that's hard for people to understand. Can you measure intuition? Can you measure thoughts? If you get really excited and angry, they can measure you with EKG. But there's a lot of things that you can't measure. Orgone energy, you can't measure it as such. You can feel it. So you have to talk to people. Well, since you surrounded yourself with some orgone generators, have you felt any difference? Well, there will be people who will say, no, I haven't felt any difference, you know. But that's like saying that most people are not that sensitive to react to orgone energy or some other kinds of energy, but there are people who can walk into your room and feel it right away, but they're not in the majority. You're getting into an area that's pretty iffy and nuanced, and it depends on your belief system. If you believe that certain crystals have the ability to attract money, and you put that intention in there, it possibly could work for you, but it's not an absolute. It's not a, well, if you do this and that, you will attract money, or you will win the lottery ticket. It doesn't work that way. They are in control of what happens to you. You don't get what you want, but you definitely get what you need. There's a difference. And we keep forgetting that. We want to improve our chances of getting what we want and forgetting about what we need. We might need more clothes for the kids or better food or something, but you want a fancy car, you know? So you're playing dice with what you want, with what you need. There's a difference. So the same with the crystals attracting money. I have no knowledge of that. All I know is that the purity of your heart and your intention will determine what they will send in your direction. Okay? That's as close as I can talk about that.